floosh cheese song. What did you get? Open up your hee-hee lock-a set. Don't worry, parents, it's not a pet. We hope you love your hee-hee lock-a set.
Actual hee-hee lock-a set do not contain the following: kittens, doggos, or Georges.
Hi guys, today we're going to be making lizard beaded keychains. All of you in your boxes will be getting a bag that will have a 3-foot cord or rope, and then you'll have orange beads, green beads, and 2 black beads for the eyes if you want. And it will also come with this little keychain. If you want to use it, you can. So the video will show me making it. I hope you guys have fun doing it. If you want help doing it, make sure to ask a parent or a sibling or anybody. Don't get frustrated. Have fun with it. If you mess up, feel free to just undo it and redo it again. Alright guys, this is my finished lizard. It's a little lumpy and bumpy, but that's okay. So I have the 2 eyeballs, the arms, the legs, and then the keychain up above. If you guys want the keychain down below, you can put it down below. If you don't want it at all, then don't put it on there. But feel free to have fun with this. Do any kind of pattern you want on your lizard. And then you can hang it up in your room or give it to somebody. Anyways, have fun with this. Bye.